How to fix Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting on iOS 17. The first step is to go to Settings, and among the list of options that you can see, click on the cellular option. Here you will be taken to a new page. Scroll down until you see an option called Wi-Fi Assist. It is below the apps list that you can see right here, and as you can see, the toggle button is right on. Make sure that you have turned off the Wi-Fi Assist option. If this does not work, like you can see on the screen, all you have to do is go back and then click on General option that you can see. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and then click on Transfer Reset iPhone. Click on Reset and reset the network settings by clicking on Reset Network Settings option. Enter your passcode to confirm and then restart your phone. And this is how you can easily fix the problem of Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting on iOS 17. We hope this tutorial helped you. Thank you for watching and do subscribe to our channel for more useful videos.